Horses out, we have Rocky Feller, pass to begin alongside Red Minstrel, Amazing Damascus, Lord of the Sun, and Ubuntu. Into the turn they go. We have Red Minstrel by Oralenka and Hapa. Down on the inside is Rocky Feller. 3 lengths so entered Amazing Damascus, Lord of the Sun, and Ubuntu. They swing into the back. Red Minstrel by Oralenka. Rocky Feller in second, Amazing Damascus now in third. 3 lengths away in fourth, Lord of the Sun and Ubuntu. We have Red Minstrel still in front by about 2 lengths. Rocky Feller now coming closer in second, then in third, Amazing Damascus, Ubuntu and Lord of the Sun. Rocky Feller, Red Minstrel fighting it out for the lead. 7 lengths away in third, Amazing Damascus, Lord of the Sun and Ubuntu. Rocky Feller, Red Minstrel keep on fighting it out for the lead. Rocky Feller takes the lead by about half length. And on the outside, Red Minstrel as they come down at the last 200. We have Rocky Feller by about 2 lengths. Red Minstrel, Lord of the Sun, last 100 meters. We have Rocky Feller by about 4 lengths. And finally, Rocky Feller, Red Minstrel, Lord of the Sun, then comes Amazing Damascus, and there was a spill.